I'm Karen Rodowitz of JK Flowers, and I'm here to help you to sell flowers online. The easiest thing to do when starting to sell flowers online is to learn your flowers. Know all the different types, colors, know the local flowers in your area and the wildflowers. Know what colors work well together. Know what kind of stems work well together. Are they a straight stem or are they a droopy stem? These are some of the things you need to learn before you get started in a flower business. Once you get started, you need to maybe get an agricultural license depending on where you're located. Maybe you don't even want to deal with that and you just want to become a drop shipper, work with a local florist, and then you can take orders for them and they could deliver the flowers for you. Once you get your flowers figured out, you can create arrangements, you set up pictures, and you can get your website started. These are just some helpful hints on maybe how to sell your flowers online. I hope this was helpful. Once again, Karen Rodowitz, JK Flowers.